Yeah, I got my 2012 Ram 3500. I got 300 and almost 372,000 miles on it. Had a noise in the front end. I thought it was the front end, but the other day I noticed it was more in the middle, so I crawled under yesterday after work, and I noticed it was the midshift bearing here. Just about lost it, so I'm gonna thinking a new seal up there too. But I'm gonna replace that today. I got parts. I just gotta take them 4 bolts off there. Made a little mark. You can see it. So I can line it back up. Line up with the splines here. Undo them bolts, and it comes in the new bearing assembly. Pop the old bearing off. Drive shaft. Put it all back on and be good to go. So it won't be too hard of a job. I already broke these loose, so easy to come out. It's a 15mm socket. Step one. That one loose. Exhaust is in the way. Easier if I get truck in neutral. little persuaded here. No. There we go. All right. Pull this. Slide this off. So we got this right here. Let's say she wore out. This whole assembly would be new. Okay. Let's see what size that is. There we go. Guess I could have used my impact for this, but I didn't. Next time I'll use the impact. Use the DeWalt. Actually, you know what? My leg to hold this up. There it is. It's spinning a nut on the backside. I got that now. Okay, I got this old one out. Here's the new one. I gotta pull that sleeve off and then pop the new one on. It should be good to go.